Here's what my videos look like before I discovered AI editing tools. Something that is shocking for a brand of that size. They only show about... And here's what they look like after for a brand of that size. They only show about 20 products per page. I got to the bottom of the page and then I had to click next. That's a massive difference, right? Well, the best part is that I don't spend hours editing. The AI tools take my video from a boring raw recording to a polished caption and really engaging video in a fraction of the time. And in this video, I'll show you my exact process step by step, so you can do the same for your content. So I've got this video, which is just a regular video where I'm talking, and obviously it's quite boring. So what I'm gonna do is open CapCut and drop that video into it. And the purpose of doing it is so that I can edit the video and just cut it and cut it under the minute. In order to use Captions AI editing functionality, the video needs to be under 1 minute. So this will allow me to do that. I'm gonna get the transcript of the video, and that will allow me to remove all of the words that are fillers, all of the and it will just make that video really polished. Now what you can do is click this remove filler words and will highlight which ones it wants to remove. So that will cut down some of the time. I do have sentences that are repeated, so I'm still gonna get those out. Now the video is just over a minute. What I'm gonna do is just increase the speed and see whether that will get me to under the minute, and I believe it has. Obviously I would sit through the whole video and listen to it just to make sure that I'm happy with it. Once the video is under a minute, I'm gonna export it and put it into Captions. And I've got Captions open here. I just click AI edit, open my video, and this is the point where I can choose what kind of editing I would like to have on top. And there are just so many. When you click on it, you can see, and the most incredible thing about it is that it puts these animations over it, and it has different styles. It's got this more professional, more cinematic. So there's quite a lot that you can choose. I'm gonna go perhaps with this one, and I'm gonna pick a color. Unfortunately, Captions doesn't allow you to put in the hex code, which would have been great, but hopefully they will introduce it at some point. And just click create a project. We've got the video process, so let's see what Captions managed to do with it. I got to the bottom of the page and then I had to click next to see more products. And that little click is a conversion killer. Why? Now, I think that this is incredible because the sound effects that it adds on, the animations that it adds on, and what is really nice is that you can edit the captions themselves, you can edit the effects. I think most of the images are generated, but you can put your own images. So let's say if you wanted to replace it with another, you could just add that on. Instantly, it makes that video much more interesting to watch. What's more, you can change the style of all of the captions, and you can create your own template. The amount of things that you can do with it is really incredible, and I wish that they were allowing people to do it for longer videos. And then you would just export it and it's ready to go. Now I'm going to show you one other video that I made, which was in a different style. So this is, you can see this is a different style of the video, but the secret is in the prompt. You shouldn't just say, make my product look nice. You need to break it down to these 4 things. I'm really impressed with that. And I would not be able to create the kind of animations that Captions put on top. If you found this video useful, please give it a like and subscribe for more tips on using AI tools to grow your business. And let me know in the comments what other tools you use to edit content with AI.